Today's topic is life and its problems. Okay, how to lead a better life? That is our question. There is no teacher to teach us how to live a better life, but life is the teacher itself. Okay, and daily we have to explore the unexplored life. That is our duty. But it is not an easy task. Okay, we have to learn from the parents little bit and the society too. Okay, daily we are getting the lessons and we will be sometimes surprised how we solve it, and how sometimes we will be more tensed because we can't solve it, because some solutions are not there at all. So some solutions are not there, don't worry about that solution. Okay, but think about how it can be solved. So simultaneously your thinking process will be on and you will be living your life better. Today we can see that so many happenings, in the sense that somebody just don't know how to live the life and just committing the last step. So that is, for me, it is so pathetic. But we can't say that what happened to them at that moment. But to me, we have to feed our mind that life is not so simple to anybody. That we have to accept the fact. Because once we accepted that life is not so simple, then we will be feeling that no, okay, this anytime anything can happen. So expect the unexpected is the way to lead a better life. Okay. So suppose you are expecting the unexpected, then you will be not worried about what will happen to the next moment, because nobody knew what will be happening to the next moment. So that is not our cup of tea, in the sense that you have to face it. Okay, and face it with happiness or sadness. And for me, some kind of depression is happening to all of us. Maybe it is giving us a just what is that, rest to our mind, that our mind might be just overpowered by the confusions or more thoughts or whatever that happens to the mind. Mind is in need of rest. So some deleting process might be happening unknowingly or without our knowledge. So let the mind do whatever it likes. Okay, but we have to live the life in a more positive way, because so many examples are there in this world. Okay, because we are not the one just came to the world now. Okay, we have so much experience of others, so we have to learn from that experience too, to lead a better life. So what is that? So depression might be there. Then how to relax, according to me, is that suppose you are depressed, you can't just communicate with anybody on because that depression means you are completely you are in need of solitude uh, space. Okay, you are in need of space. So we will not allow anybody to interfere or intervene in your problem. So best part of that time is, to me, read something. Guess what is that? It will make you cry, or see a film that will make you cry, or think about any moment that just will force you to cry, because the tears are the best medicine to treat depression. So once you just the tears flowed, you will be feeling that much relief that you can't get from anybody else. Just whatever they will just console you, or not console in the sense that they will just support you, or that support will never do the like the tears, because tears are the real medicine for depression. So just cry for maybe just some time. After that, you'll feel that crystal clear mind will be coming into you. Okay, so enjoy that moment. So depression can be treated with medicine too, but for me, the best medicine is just tears. So after that, depression can be solved. But reason for depression might be so many, because we can't make out exactly what the kind of depression, because each and everyone has their own aspirations. So they are in need of just fulfilling their aspirations, and it is not so easy to fulfill anybody's aspirations in this world. That you have to tune about in your mind that aspirations may be many, but fulfilling all these aspirations are too just what is that, too cumbersome or too, what is that, too difficult. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind that life is not so easy. You have to just face it with just brave face. Okay, so what is that? Life and its problems means life has its own problems to teach us to be more brave in all aspects. Never be a coward or just what is that? Uh, Coward or just what is that? Feeling not so easy to face the world, like that never feel. Okay, because so many persons are feeling the same in their life. So you are not the one to feel the first time you are just depressed or you are feeling so much nervous to face the world. Okay, it is not that much worried. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, so life, just accept the life as it is and just do the best from your part. Okay, never be worried about what will happen tomorrow or somebody might think about me in that way or this way. Let them think anyway. But you have to think you are the best. That is the technique of life. Because there is no just a trial for the life. We will never get a rehearsal in life. So we have to just do it. And our role will be best. Be happy with it. Okay, don't think about others. Okay, we are suppose sometimes what is happening, maybe our field is not giving us more opportunity to explore. So then change that field. That is the best thing, because one door is closed, another so many doors might be open for you. Maybe that door is closing because you are just on the closed door. That might be the reason why life is just giving your opportunity to think little different. So just think little different. Whenever stuck somewhere, think differently and just go the best way, because best ways are so many. So we have to think positively all the time to solve the problems of life rather than stuck by that problem, because problems are not testing your just patience, but problems are giving you opportunity to think much better than earlier. Okay, students? So life is an easy task if you are thinking. Okay, thank you.